longtime friends blending the spine-chilling thrills of horror and true crime.
The wildest Reddit stories.
And the hottest pop culture moments, one bold episode at a time. Welcome to
The Bold Blend.
I'm Nate.
I'm Kate.
And I'm Ange.
Hey.
Hello again.
Yeah.
Welcome to episode 24.
Yes, 24.
24. And Ange, what is this episode called?
So, for this week's episode, guys, ang title kay Whispers, Warnings, and Walkouts. WWW. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh,
But anyway, so ato ang storyaan karon kay kanang mga Gone Without a Trace. Mga kalit o kawagtang niya nagbalik kay muraragwa or murarag nausab sila in a way. So muna siya
Or-
ato ang
wag yun ibalik.
napayuban nga wa ni balik. Naay uban nga naa gihapon pero wala na. Ah,
Oh.
di ba?
Yo.
Sama dyan.
So, masya, medyo kwanta karon, medyo eerie atong vibes karon or like medyo kana mga gipangbiyaan. Sorry guys, medyo tugnaw-tugnaw ra ba? So, wasig, maka-relapse mo ba? Mag-relapse mo kalit. Magwawawa mo. Nihilak dito. Alright, so for my segment, ako ang magstorya sa medyo horror or true crime. Pero dili jud kay horror ako Although, makonsider siya nga something nga unknown man god. Nga kanang what tay knowledge jud about ba nga di tayo anak ka, I don't know, unsa man, confident about those things. So for me, I'll be talking about mga elements, unseen elements. So here, so in the Philippines, when someone disappears suddenly, especially near a forest, river, or mysterious tree, there's a common explanation whispered among locals. Naagni siya ng engkanto. Unsay naagni? Na,
Spirited away?
oh, could be.
Ikidnap.
Oh, murag abduct.
Oh, yeah.
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 So, taken by spirits. Not every vanishing has a criminal behind it. Sometimes, the suspect is something older, something
Ooh.
unseen. Ooh. So,
Yo.
we're talking about mga diwata og engkanto. Kana mga diliingon ato nga ilang tawgon, di ba? Kabante mo ng mga bata nga inaron mga alas 5, alas 6 nga panood na mo kay na yung mga diingon ato maigo ninyo diha, di ba? Which made me think ba nga naadjuday gyapon siya bisan diri sa syudad, di ba?
Yeah.
Kay murag for me lang magthink og mga nana kay dito sa probinsya nga dagan og mga kahoy-kahoy kay mo be daw na ilang puy-anan, mo na ilang portal, di ba? So, who are Diwata and Engkanto? So, Diwata are benevolent nature spirits tied to forests, rivers, and mountains. They're beautiful, powerful, and usually peaceful unless disrespected. So I think mo ni sila kanang mga moingon ka nga tabi-tabi po, kanang if nakailabay, nakay kanang unsa na ba kay isbog, nakay
Moagi ka.
putlon, 'di ba? Kanang uban
Oh,
nga
yeah.
if mag-work like if naay kahoy nga tangtangon, mo na sila no. Sakto ba ako ang
Oo,
Sa
pagkagets?
mga guys na
Mm-mm.
mag-CR.
Oh, kanang mga patakag ihi, inana ano nang magkatawa jud ko anang meme oy nga kanang natuy tao ba nga nangihi niya. Niana din to ang engkanto or diwata nga kanang ala giihian na tong balay. Niana ang kanang niana to siya nga sige ko ani na padauti na. Niana ang katong nangihi nga tabi-tabi po siya nga ay pavoid.
Ay, pavoy. Yo.
Kaya di ba, if you think about it ba, unsay meaning ana nga, unsay reason ba nga, if yung kag tabi-tabi po, kay bawion na nila imuhang ilang pagdaot nimo. So, funny dyan kayo nga, kanang niya siya, tabi-tabi po, sakit din siya, pavoid.
Yun niya, basa na kayo sila.
Basa na kayo sila. Yeah. So, yeah, mana siya. So, funny na mo lang may namduman ako. So, Engkanto, on the other hand, are mysterious, often human-looking beings from a parallel realm. So, they live in old trees, hills, lakes, and they watch us. So, medyo libog ko. Di ba sila murag same? Unsa man sila like, Engkanto, mga... Unsa may explanation na? Basta naamoy... I don't know, sakto ba? I'm confused.
Okay, I think Kate knows.
ang narabito sa akong head, like, nangwan mo no, serious no ang answer, but nasa akong head ba, kaya ang katong movie nga Encanto, Mirabel.
Yawa.
Oh.
Encanto, enchanted. Yeah,
Yeah.
right? So,
I think Diwata, it's like Philippine version of fairies.
uh-huh. Ah,
I
okay.
think.
Yeah. True. Tied to forests, rivers, and mountains. Encanto, munis lang ang mga dili ingon ato, Jud. Nga in a parallel realm man. Mo na ilang katawgon nga kanang unsa na if flat ang here, mao ba na kadungog mo ana nga if di ba naman ni murag paana ato ang simod. So if flat
Oh,
daw,
yeah.
yeah,
Encanto ako.
if murag Voldemort gani nga flat. Anong Voldemort?
Voldemort.
But yeah, kana siya. So, people say Encanto can lure or abduct humans. Sometimes they fall in love with you. Other times, they mistake you for one of them. Muna siyang mga storya-storya nga kanang, naibgan man na siya Encanto or like, gikuha man na siya. I think most ng mga na-storya-storya kanang naa siya'y kambal nga Encanto daw. Mao ba nang inana nga storya, di ba? Nga,
Well,
dungan sila gianak daw.
Ay,
Yeah, kadungog ka na nga mga
sakto
story,
ka na
di ba?
giana. Oh,
So,
changeling ba or something?
yeah. So, here, magstorya ta about a couple of real life stories nga nahitabo or not really real life siguro, pero siguro kanitong mga storya and like, na pass on na lang. So, in the late 90s daw, a 14-year-old girl in Bohol was washing clothes by the creek. She vanished. Gone for 3 days. Search teams found nothing. Then suddenly, she reappeared by the same creek, still wearing the same damp clothes. When asked what happened, she just said, "Naram ko dito sa may suga." She didn't eat regular food for days, only rice soaked in salt water. So, healers say she was taken, not harmed, but borrowed.
what the
Scary no nga.
Yo.
Sa ni mo tong balibo yawa.
Scary.
Why borrow people?
Nganong i-borrow ni mo? Unsay reason. But anyway, I don't know siguro kani siya nga mga stories more ni na ay mga mastorya ka ng mga katiguangan nga nasa probinsya, 'di ba? So
Yeah.
another story, so the lost hiker. So in Mount Makiling, hikers report getting lost even on familiar trails. Some say they see a beautiful woman in white, Maria Makiling perhaps, beckoning them deeper into the woods. Others suddenly lose sight of their companions even if they were right beside them. When they're found, hours later, they swear, "Wala man jud ko nawa. Kanang ni-stop lang ko kay nakigstorya nako." Di ba? But if na hot forest lady nga mo pakita nako when I'm hiking, murag musunod sad guro ko no. If hot,
Depends. If she's
si-
wearing something shimmery, no.
if si Galadriel nga type,
Oh, yeah. Go.
take me with
Ano,
you.
naman ito siya scary
Take me
nga
with-
one face.
But yeah. So here last kay the wedding guest and the balete tree. So a man in Capiz vanished during a family wedding. Last seen near a large balete tree while taking a call. Days passed, he didn't come home. A manghihilot was called. Rituals were performed, candles, salt, prayers. Then he reappeared, still wearing his wedding barong, disoriented.
hell?
He said he'd just taken a short nap.
What?
Imagine.
Near a tree?
Diba? So, some say spirits don't just abduct out of malice. Sometimes they're lonely. Or maybe they choose you.
The
Diba?
Pokemon?
I choose you.
Scary.
So, next part would be for the cultural practices and protection. So, muna ni siya itong tabi-tabi po again.
Oh.
So, locals say tabi-tabi po when walking near rivers or trees to show respect to unseen spirits. Muna na ba, if pananglitan, wala lang jud kakita nila and like, naigo lang jud sila. And like, scary no? Pero, I don't know.
I
unsay-
guess that's why you have to announce yourself with
Ah.
tabi-tabi po.
Yeah.
So, maingon ka nga, moagi mi, paagi ami. Mao na, no? Mo din
And
na.
mangihi ka ka ng pagtabi-tabi po before sa siguro mangihi ka. Avoid.
Pavoid. So another here is people carry ginger or salt for protection. Wako
Yeah.
na-aware ng
Ginger.
ginger. Salt ra ko nabawaan. No?
Mura siya kuan, even sa other cultures, mausad ang ilahang gamiton. Dili
Oh,
lang na sa ato
okay.
sorry, murag ay
What
something.
if may pakuha lang akong na doon? Naman ay ginger. Would that
Funny.
If modern lang ako.
And kani last, you should never urinate near anthills or old roots. So they might be homes of the unseen. So wala siya guys
Yeah.
kanang mga masturya nga nikalit lang og burot ang itlog. Diba? Diba kay nana? Unsay gay tawagan na nabuyagan the
Buyagan,
term. Oh. And here's the twist about red. Red is often used to protect babies from evil spirits. That's why they wear red bracelets. But in spirit-heavy areas like balete trees, red can actually attract encanto. It's bold, flashy. Some believe it's like waving a flag, drawing their attention. So maybe save the red dress for the city and not the forest.
why would you wear a red
Ako
dress?
siyang gi-search actually, and like ako nailan good sa red kay kana lagi para di daw sila muduol, di ba? Para ma-ward off daw mga spirits and such. And like nabasa na ko kung ako gi-confirm siya nga, okay. Suma din na siya. So these aren't just ghost stories, they're warnings, because when a spirit wants you, sometimes the only thing left behind is your name. But it's not just forests where people vanish. Sometimes it's your own room, your own mind, and the thing haunting you doesn't knock. So, nakoy mini segment pa. So, about
So,
the
wala.
ghosts of isolation in Japan.
Oh
Katong,
yeah, sige,
What
nice.
is that?
So, in Japanese horror, it's not the jump scare that gets you. It's the quiet, the stillness, the ghost that watches from the corner, just out of frame. So, kaning Hitori Bochi no Yore, that thing, so, which is the spirit of loneliness daw. So, Hitoribochi means utterly alone. So, these ghosts are said to attach to lonely, isolated people, especially those living alone.
Magawas ko sa sala where my family is immediately after.
So, they don't scream or slam doors. They sit beside you, watch you scroll, drain your energy, and then you vanish. So, napoy mga storya-storya sila dito day. So, the apartment ghost. So, a woman in Tokyo started hearing clinks in her chicken in her kitchen at night. Nothing violent, just sounds. She felt a breeze pass her hallway, checked her security cam, nothing. But on her webcam, 4 frames, a pale woman standing directly behind her. She vanished the next week, no signs of forced entry. Just a note left on her desk. I feel like someone's been with me this whole time.
Yeah, no.
Oh, scary siya no
No.
kay wa ko kadungog kayo ani nga story. So ilahasan na dito sa Japan nga mga tuo-tuo. So another one is kodokoshi, the lonely deaths. So in real life, Japan faces a phenomenon called kodokoshi, the lonely death. Elderly or isolated people dying in their homes and not being found for weeks. Some believe their spirits linger, confused, unseen. So, you know, like maybe they don't even know they're gone yet. But scary no nga, hasta ilang body kay mawala. Yeah.
Uy.
And next, so the train station woman. So there's a woman said to appear on platform 2 at midnight in Osaka. She looks normal, except her feet don't touch the ground. People who lock eyes with her disappear within a week. And the last thing they search online, kay I feel like I'm not alone anymore. So like heavy jud kay siya nga boto ko balibo. Heavy jud kay siya nga feeling nga kanang mag-bother nila for some time ba. So muna siya for my segment. So not all hauntings come with blood. Sometimes it's silence. Sometimes the thing that takes you doesn't come from the outside. It waits for you to break from the inside.
Thank you for the goosebumps, Andrew.
So moto siya akong story, guys. So medyo kana lagi mga totoo. Ako lang siya na-compare ba kay if nasa ta diri sa Pinas day napud sila didto. And for some reason mas scary ilaha. I don't know, or
Yeah.
tungod ba ka with how kanang Japanese horror is portrayed gani. Kay mananaw ang mga Japanese nga ungo-ungo or like clips kay medyo hadlok sa jud ba, 'di ba? I-compare nimo sa
Yeah.
Diwata og Encanto kay murag may imagine pa guna ko nga inig adtos nila sa world atong Encanto kay nasa sila mga castle, mga dato sila.
Fancy.
'Di ba?
Mm.
Mo na siya.
And I think since we associate home with safety and security, and the fact na sa Japanese nga horror, narrated to the whole time waiting for you. No.
Yeah.
And dili ra ba gyud na kanara jud kay sometimes tungod sa kalisod gani i-find og home sa city labi na sa Tokyo nga kanang barato lang ba mo ang ubang tao mo kuha na lang mo resort na lang to renting kana murder apartments like or like kanang apartments nga namatay or either like by murder or kana
Natural.
basta yeah na yung mga na yung nangamatay and
Na-
then
It's cheaper.
yeah it's
Oh.
cheaper basta may buwan nga naikuan.
Nako na-remember like natigi pa kita si Fritzina ko nga sa TikTok na ay user dito nga nagmagsige siya live and like ang iyang giabang di ko sure if sa Japan to but like outside siya iyang giabangan kay barato ra daw kaayo but
Mm.
kanang it looks like what jud siya silingan like inigabi kay off man jud ang lights so jud lain gasiga inana ba to ko balibo yawa but mo to siya nga murag ilahang storya is kanang unsay ngalan ani kanang the way siya sa iyang live man good kay magsige na lang siya smile murag gani iyan na lang i-distract iyang self ba nga murag wa siya nahadlok or unsa but kanang makita jud kay nimo sa now nga fake kayo iyang smiles kay for sure nahadlok pud siya but mo to siya nga kanang mag-live man siya so ang mga tao magsige rag comment nga okay ra ka diha inana so yeah I think Japan siguro to ngayon ato ka cheap ra man jud daw cheap ra jud so naa siya didto niya pero ngano jud daw nga ni kagabi isiya ra man jud like wala jud siya yung mga silingan pero mura siya mga gagmay nga homes nga dugol like na ay uban nga naa sa top floor na uban sa ubos inana ba and like nganong siya ra nya na do siya madunggan jud nga mga magtingog-tingog so like no lang
Nope.
mato siya
Kung ano ba yun na either ang person ang haunted or ang place ang haunted.
true na yung mga dulonon nga tao abtunon di ay abtunon.
AKA Kate.
Ah,
Kate
oh no. I just see them. Anyway,
Followed you
kanang
that one time.
and na-stuck up si mong home.
Yeah, you left it there.
Mhm. Anyway, na ako istorya sad bahin ani. Char, bahin. Sorry.
Bahin.
Anyway, kanang nakoy kaila, di lang nato name. Kanang naibgan sad siya og someone nga di nga to. And then moto naana siya diri sa city kay para mapalayo siya atong kuan.
Yo.
Yeah, kay ang ingon daw to ang albularyo niya nga kanang gusto siya himog bride atong kuan. Oh, like at such a young age mo nang kuan, di man tato siya taga diri sa city so mo to gibalin gid siya kay para super layo na jud kayo siya atong nga kuan. Noon, makathink lang ka ba? Di na mo biyahe sila. Like,
di ba
laing lugar.
di ba
Oo, di ba?
nasad ko ila in
Ah,
story na katong na ay nami kaila nga mananambal ba niya iyang anak na diri niya di na makabalik sa late man ata to kay murag nakapatay siya og engkanto
Oh no.
so mamurag ang storya nga once mo balik siya didto kwaon jud siya kay replacement ato
Oh.
ilang gipatay nga engkanto
Oh, how
scary.
though? Like, unsa iyang gibuhat?
Understandable.
I don't know.
Na naka-
Murag basig siguro na kay kana bang sa mga probinsya noon sabi ka nanigbas or unsa inana ba.
Yeah.
So
Oh.
yeah, naigo guro niya namatay murag inana gani ang motog murag di ko sure if mao pa jud to ang story pero inato ang gist nga nakapatay siya. So mao nga if mo balik man gyud siya dito the moment mo set foot daw siya sa Leyte, kwaon jud siya.
Damn.
Na sila boundaries. Wa sila pamiliti
Like
pa
a
Cebu.
Fugitive.
Ah,
Oh,
at
Mura
least
siya-
no, sorry. At least nakay ka na ganing murag napay safe space gani for
Yeah.
like karon sa dato mabuhat against them with magical powers
True.
like
Kita nga feeling powerful raman ta. But napod kay story na kanang inga na nga encounter ba? Kanang encanto nga encounter or dili nga nato kay na ako'y relative sa probinsya. Ya, kuan to siya kanang usual probinsya stuff nga mag-gather og wood, magduog stuff sa forest, like magtugway og baka or whatever.
Mm-mm.
And one time, hapon na daw to, kanaligi ka ng mga alas 5, alas 6 nga
Mhm.
pagabi na. Naglakaw na daw siya, padung balik. Yun yung kasunod niya nga babay. And yet, for some reason, if he walks fast, dili mo sabang distance sila sa babay. And
Huh?
if he walks slow, magkaduol lang babay. So can you imagine running for your life? You're
What
like
the
constant na
fuck?
kasunod mo like,
Mura siya ka na bitawng nightmare nga kanang bisag unsaon nimo dagan kay wa ka na isbog.
mhm.
Ka scary.
oh
Scary.
shit
Dili
That's
lang.
scary stuff.
May gani nagtabi-tabi po ra may pagadto namo sa farm nila niya man.
Kisaba ba kay me?
Saba kay mi
yeah
actually.
better dyan na also ma-reminded man sad ka sa kanaganing katong movie nga Insidious kay
Yeah.
kind of like spirited away but I guess na sila sila mismo ba ilang family kay naay ingon ana nga abilities and dili tanan so kind of scary sad nga natugra ka and then whoosh wala na
Diba?
Where am I?
you know that one time in high school nga naatay higher year nga giingon nila na sudlan daw or something kay or naibgan kay mura man to siya giduol gid sa tanan tao and then mura siya na issues like kay nagtambay raman siya under atong isa sa mga trees nga dagko sa field.
Why do I not
Ana.
know that?
Baliw kay
Kinsa na?
bana.
Yeah, very
Ano?
gwapa to siya. Half matingali to siya. I forgot her name. Pero legit, gwapa gito siya. And yeah, dili ni mo ma-blame jud nga no maibgan siya og kuan. Labi na magtambay na sa iyang lugar. Niya. Kay nung dumo ato niya.
Wala ko
Ambot lang
kabang
sa siya nga
story.
year.
Pero
Kay,
dili nga like 1 year babaw lang na to.
ambot lang. Di ko remember og unsa nga kuan. Basta anything na murag relating to horror and then sa eskwelahan maka-remember man jud ko good sa kuan. If like ma-issue siya. So, yeah, naka-remember jud ko ato kay like, murag,
Didn't happen.
kuan, kay murag siya nag-seizure or something.
Yo.
I don't know, mao na here, pero I don't know, kibaw ko nga mura siya, mo to istorya sa mga tao. Kuan, kanang, ambot lang nga, maybe nausab na ang kuan, pag-abot sa akong ears, nausab ang story. Pero wala naman sa ko kita niya. Ana, and then I mean for pila ka days ba like absent for pila ka days and then, I guess nato siya yung mga igsoon or relatives nga schoolmates or sad nato ko sure nga naara man sad so like why would she be the only one nga kuan unless like medical to siya nga kuan pero murag wala man gito siya super nina na nga issue before nga I mean ganing na spread throughout the school. So, yeah, dili sad mo ma-rule out kay like weird man og vibes yun ang mga trees labi nag old labi nag didto.
Atong school in general.
True.
Not yung mga corners sa tong school nga you don't go to
Yeah.
Yes.
after dark.
Yes. Kay bisag sa windows lang kita good things.
Naka-remember sa jud ko, kita to ko yuga bro, third year man ata ato nga. For some reason, nata sa third floor, murag, after ata tong nay murag, mga enrichment gani after classes, nga, adto sa katong mga laboratory. Unya,
Atong tutor na nato?
ha?
Dili. Atong tutor?
Oh, marag, I think, limot ko if third year, fourth year
Fourth
ba
year
to?
na. Fourth year na.
But,
atong
so
tutor.
lain to ang third year nga. For some reason, nata sa third floor, pero gikan ta sa labs. So, inig uli, mulakaw pa biya ka, padung sa tunga nga stairs, di ba?
Aha.
Unya, nanguli ta ato mga inaron na, nga inaron nga mungit-ngit na ba niya? Wala ba ito'y suga, dayon dito. And
Correct.
then for some reason nakalingi ko sa usa ka room na ay figure sa tao. And like
Pas.
ngit-ngit naman niya like ni paspas ra jud kog lakaw niya mo to nga pag naog na nato ko na ko nakitaan. Kita jud kog figure nga kanang I think di ko kaingon if babae pero taason siya. Nya dark man good. I don't know if tungod ba to kay ngit-ngit lang basig na joy tao dito nega chuk-chak or unsa, you know. Pero I don't know na scared man ko.
Ako isulti ba? Ato ganing lab area.
Otro man
Ato
tong na dito.
pinakadulo. Ato kay, di ba? Kamo na ang pinakabusa na kay clinic. Yeah, stairs. Yeah, lab. Until the fourth floor. Kaya ba baka up until now, I have dreams about that. Like, horror dreams about that place. Kato nga corner
Boto
gid
ko
sa school.
malibo.
I don't know why.
Actually, naaman good.
Naaman jud
I
Imagine.
don't know
dito.
why.
Na jud dito.
Ang TCR
Yeah,
dito,
like
di ba?
Kanang,
At bang sa lab?
katong, di ba, speech lab,
Wala.
kinumdum mo, kanang area pod.
Asa gani
Ang
speech lab?
CR at bang, di ba?
Asa gani ang speech lab?
That nobody uses that much. Second floor.
Office ra sa science, mga kuan. Kaya,
Speech lab, second floor.
Physics.
Ala, now that I think about it ba, na something sa third floor di ay? Or fourth ba to? Kanunong ko pag showdown first year niya,
Aha.
di ba fourth floor man ta? Niya, ay murag sa fourth floor to siya niya, panaog ta, kita ko og babae nga naa didto sa fountain niya, ngit-ngit man kaayo na
Pas.
didto dapitan, nag-inom siya. Kanang naa jud siya sa fountain, nagbarog ba? Bato ko believe.
Pas.
Andrew, kinumdum ka pag katong una na to campfire, matayali to or something.
Na picturean?
Dili ka na, di ba na, basta natog ra mata sa classroom, ana nga time, di ba? Ang na-happen na namay nagsigig, namay na naogikan sa ceiling. Sino mo katog ato?
What the
Yeah,
Uy.
naman sa mga things. Na may things nga naglutaw-lutaw ras classroom na to.
Kayata.
May classmates na tong tulo.
Classmate man lit ng tuluyawan. Ba itong balibo?
Nakoy chika. I don't know if I remember it right. Okay, I don't remember if I'm not sure if I remember it right, but you gotta remind me. Not one time nga camping to. I'm not sure unsa to nga camping sa camping to. Nag-rosary ta sa field, and for some reason, because I'm short and I'm also in the front, the people at the back were pushing forward because they say that it sounds different sa luyo. Do you remember that? Am I remembering it right?
don't. Wala ko remember.
Wala mo
Unsa nga
remember, ana?
year?
Na sa field, nagyaka ta sa field. Atubangan sa SEM building.
Wala ko remember na nga story.
I think wala ko ni apil ana. Oh, wait. I
Unsa
don't
na nga
know kay
year?
I don't remember
It was
unsa na nga year, but what I remember was the people just pushing forward or like usog sila forward kay na-creeped out sila because it sounds a little weird from behind.
Yawa.
Yes, nagi ni apil ana.
Awa, if you think about it ba ako nga dili dulunon nga nakakita ato so unsa na lang si Kate,
Yeah.
di ba? So inana
I had
sila
an
ka
experience.
heavy og feeling nga nakakita ta nga dili usually abtunon, di ba?
Kulo kita but kadungog ko. I don't know if you remember this, bro. Kata ganing second year ato nata sa SEM building pod nga katong na I talk with Kuya Ike. Second year or third year. Anyway, I don't know.
Anyway, okay, go.
No, I think third year. I think it's third year. Kay kanang nagyaka ta sa floor na chairs sa kuan nagpalibot. Nya kato nga time si Stella nagsigig close sa door kay for some reason mo-open siya. Even if
Ay,
you
I remember ko
do you
na.
remember that?
Yeah.
Do you remember that?
Oo.
Nung sige yung open kasi iyak siya mo-open yun ang door. Do you remember nga na ato'y corner nga walay kayo ni lingkod
katong SEM building nga room taatora, di ba?
Yes.
Room?
Yes.
Yeah.
Katong na ay broom closet.
Yeah.
Galing sila na ay gahilak. Nyawa ko nito oh.
Yawa.
And nilingkod yung ko to pa dito and oh my god.
Wala.
I heard no, bro.
Kayata.
Nope. Nope. When I erase that memory, wala na akong siyang gi-remind sa myself. Nope. Yeah, it sounded like it came from inside the broom closet. And it
Nahadlok na
was
ko.
it is a kind of cry that you will never forget.
Unsa man daw? Sige daw.
It sounded like someone is in pain, someone is
Shit.
hurt
Shit.
and is crying in a corner.
Yawa.
Nya ni ambak ni ko sa front. Ni adto ko sa front kay hadlok na ko because I heard it myself. I don't know.
Kaya
I cannot explain that.
shit.
Iba mo, sometimes dili ba na sila diha nga place? Na-attracted rin na sila ana nga place kay naay other things. So murag di gid necessarily diha
Nga diha
sila
sila gikan, oo,
namatay.
oo.
Kana. Pwede ra na silang
Kanang
gikan
mga
sa gasa and then
naglakaw-lakaw niya, naka-feel sila
yeah.
nga diri na lang ko, murag ina na.
Yeah, it could be like that
I
jud.
remember po storya sa ako ang sa among katabang sa una nga kana jud daw 3 a.m. or like 12 midnight to 4 a.m. Maglaro-laro jud daw na ang mga kalag and all. Yeah, mo na to siya nga inig 4 diha na nga wala kay oras naman na ni Mama Mary. So mo na nga if sa una katong mid shift ko nag-work before sa akong old nga job. Yeah, 11:30 ba ako mo out niya. You know, mag-scroll pa and stuff. Yung mabtan kog mga 3 or 4. Kahion kay kog alas 3. Kahion na magay kog alas 3. So akong buhaton either before 3 ko mangihi or after 4 na ko mugawas. Kay ko nga, kailangan lapas lang yun og alas 4. Kay scary pa kay
Oh, yeah. Kana jud.
Nadlo ko.
Actually same. Mora jud.
Pero feel na ko if
Labi na
mabalik
jud
ta
ang
sa Basakron, murag di naman siya as hadlok tan-aon. Nausab naman jud gud siya.
I think dili ta mas mahadlok kay tungod kibaw ta nga kaisara ta mo adto or
Nausad.
like dili
Yeah.
gid ba always dito.
Yeah.
And we won't spend the night before we had to spend the night.
Yeah.
Yeah, but apart from the things that are unseen, there are things that are seen, aka people who disappear. And by disappear, I mean, hello, it's Reddit time. Napampahuwas ba sa kanang mga creepy stuff nga gihisgutan. So ako ang Reddit story, it's from the subreddit Am I the Asshole? And the username is, OP is Ghosting Asshole.
Okay.
This is from 6 years ago. So title is Am I the Asshole for Ghosting Mid-Date? Who does that? He does.
Kasad, like, you hear stories ba nga after sa date na gani. How bad man di ay nga mid-date siya ni Ghost.
So,
Yeah.
I wanted to ay kon POV ni OP. So I, 27M, matched with this woman, 40s F, on Tinder. And things were going all right. Through a few jokes that she just replied with, tomorrow is my birthday, and alluded to wanting to hang out. I thought, why not? I don't have anything going on. She was going to celebrate with her family on Friday and wanted to meet up for a beer on Saturday. Fast forward to Saturday, she messages me the location of the bar and wants me to come because she's lonely on her birthday. Well, as soon as I showed up, I buy a beer and she wants to leave. I should have seen this as a red flag already because I didn't even really get to know her through one beer. As soon as we get into my car, she tells me that we can't go to her place as her son is home with a date and that would be weird. She wants me to pay for a hotel, not even knowing anything but her name, and that she has a grown son. Yes, I know she was older, but she had the whole MILF thing going on. Thank you, Opie. At this point, I'm a little taken aback by the forwardness and having to suddenly put the bill for a hotel room that I don't want to pay for. She changes her mind shortly after I tell her I don't even know her yet and wants to drive 30 minutes away to a bar in a more happening part of town. I'm a little irritated at this point, and she starts to say, "It's my birthday." As we're driving, she starts to tell me how she wants more kids and criticizing me for not having any. Now, all that's running through my head is to get her out of my car as fast as I can. So I pull up to a gas station and give her $20 and say, I need a 6-pack for later in the night, and I'm gonna pump some gas for the trip to the bar and back. I watched her go in and don't even swipe my card, but pretend to start pumping gas. As soon as the coast was clear, I put the pump back, got in my car, and drove away, and unmatched her on Tinder so she couldn't contact me. So, am I the asshole here? The gas station I left her at was only a few blocks from the bar we left, and there are plenty of ride shares in the area as well. So, what do you think about the whole situation?
Funny siya. Funny siya actually, but medyo, I don't know, it could have been handled properly, Jud. Nga, dili in ato nga iya lang gibiyaan. I mean, 27 na ba siya, no?
Tingilad.
Diba? Mura siya
Or siya
kanang,
galipat og bata.
mura gali patog bata ba nga, palit sa ano niya. Or di ka na bitong kanang mutrabaho ka, mama ka mutrabaho ka niya, ayaw ang bata niya, imo ang ganog ka niya, nagkalingi o lakaw din ka, diba?
Ganang giinsulto pa siya. Siya may drive. Why would you do that? Anyway, parang ako, no, not the asshole. Kay, asshole jud kayo ang babae daan niya. Kaya ka na, I mean, nag-demand na dayon og
Yeah.
room.
Yeah.
And kanang, sa pa to? Like, kana, like, so siya drive and then kuan, nag-say og nag-criticize niya for not having any kids. Kaya like, what is that?
You're 27.
Yeah. I
You
think,
got time.
I think siguro no murag if kanang unsa may term ana if nag-set lang sila daan sa expectations dayon ba I think ang girl for the sex rejud ang gusto but for some
She's
reason ang
DTF.
guy Din Tai Fung
Din Tai Fung.
so ang kanang unsa nga na ni so ang guy but like ang guy kay gusto siya know her better and stuff so I think wala sila na lost in translation sila diha mao nga murag ang ilahang approach duha kay lahi. 'Di ba? Like
Yeah.
ang girl kay murag medyo aggressive siya nga to get a room and stuff. I mean proper lang man sad siguro no nga you get a room. Kay you know you do things man and like I don't know. But yeah. So kind of the asshole but like okay valid ra to yung na feel nga murag na hurt
Yeah,
siya
sure.
na annoy siya nga kuan pero for me lang murag na handle siguro better instead of like leaving her there you know
Yeah.
she could have told her nga kanang sige drop tika here ha and like I don't like where this is going drop tika here ikaw na lang dito kind of the
Yeah, you can be
asshole
blunt about it. Yeah.
yun lang
He could just like put his foot down and say, you know what, I don't think this is what I want or something. Like better than tricking her that way. I mean,
murag bata dyan.
and then leaving her and for me mga if it's a date, diba? Kanaging you're responsible for that person at that time that you were on a date. So putting her in a situation that may be dangerous, although di nga siya kind of ride share, but you know,
being a
he
woman
may have put her in a situation that could have been dangerous for the woman. Okay, not cool, but if palang dun gitarong og sulti kay valid and as Andrew said valid man kay weird I'm say weird kanang more aggressiveness si ate. Let's not do that, people. Let's not leave mid-date. At the date. You say katugon naman ko kauliun ko.
Bito no, murag, pwede ra dyan siya magbuot-buot og reason. Like, galain mo na kung tiyan. Di ba? No, instead of like, if di siya ganan i-confront ba nga, wa siya ganahi sa how their date went.
Bito sad sa, kaya like, they don't know each other. Pwede naman sad Junia say good ang unsa na siyang mind. Unless like, people pleaser siya na mora na ang only way na
Kana sad.
So, both sides na yung pagkakuan, asshole and not asshole.
Yeah. So that's my segment. It's pretty short because nag-enjoy kong maayo sa to ang haunting chismis.
Dagan kami nga chika no. Basta bisag inani na mong edad. daggan jud kay nag-throwback sa katong high school pa mi. Pero may among naon ba nga 4 years ram datong high school pero nganong di man mahutdan og storya gikan atong mga tuig.
Right?
Di
Oh,
ba?
yeah.
Right. I think it's because ato ang generation specifically, we had the time to just take in and experience everything because
Oh, yeah,
dili pa
true.
man kayo to also being online. Not
Yeah.
everyone had phones,
Yeah.
so we were
The way
forced
ra
to
jud nga
socialize.
maka-online ta ato no kay if na kay computer, na kay
Correct. And
laptop.
not everyone did.
Yeah.
So naghandag time nag-spend nga nagchika ra dito, naglingkod, nagtabi,
I mean,
nagdug,
unsa ram sa
dumb crap.
buhaton sa social media sa una, magduwa kag Farmville.
Yo, palit-palit friends.
Friends for sale.
Friends for sale. And then like
True.
ibay imong crush and then
Yeah.
gibay siya sa lain nga na crush niya.
Mahal na siya.
Ay,
And then
kapani.
pag umana na, gi-own na ka og someone you don't even know. Okay. Papakara ka og accept og friend request.
The true lang. True.
Yo, Friends for Sale was crazy.
Yeah.
Gen Zs, you don't know this.
Di ba nabalik ta sa first na
Ay,
segment?
sorry. Haiti,
Yeah.
take it away.
Okay, so for pop culture, we'll be talking about quiet quitting and how it's quietly taken over pop culture. Sorry, nibalik ra ako words. Now, quiet quitting doesn't mean quitting your job. It means doing what you're paid to do. No overtime, no late night emails, no extra favors, just boundaries. And while that might sound like common sense, it's shaken the way we talk about work. We see it everywhere in pop culture. Shows like The Bear and Severance tap into that burnout and disconnection. Even music got the memo. Beyonce's Break My Soul, that was basically the quiet quitting anthem. On TikTok, Gen Zs call it the soft life. No more hustle, just peace. The vibe is work to live, not live to work. And fashion followed too. Quiet luxury, normcore, dressing like you're not trying to impress your boss anymore. Some people call it lazy, others call it setting boundaries in a system that never rewarded loyalty anyway. Either way, it's changing how we think about success. And pop culture is echoing that shift loud and clear. So maybe quiet quitting isn't quitting at all. Maybe it's just waking up. Ah.
Yo.
Woke.
True. I mean, true. You know,
Yeah.
kapoy jud kay work, guys. So like,
True.
kanitong, I don't know, no, pero pagsugod na ko, buwam sa jud noon ko kanang sobra magpa-impress nga like magsigig OT and stuff. Like, if I remember before, inig 5 minutes pa lang gani, wala, padung pa out. Nangandam na ko.
Nangibot na.
Oo, namaong na. Di ba? So, I think applicable siya for some nga kanang grabe kayo ka-dedicated sa ilang work nga grabe na sad kayo ang burnout ba. So, I can't really
Yeah.
relate kay even before murag kung unsa raman ang gipangayo, mura sa jud ako yatag. Ano ba?
That is true. But the Capricorn in me is freaking out because, yo, I'm crazy about work. But
Mhm.
but it's not. I would say it. Dili siya unhealthy. Kay I don't necessarily OT. And if I do, magpabayad sa jud ano. If di ganin naman, kuan nga, dili bayaran ng OT. Ugma na lang na buhaton.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah. But
Yeah, pabayad yung kag money. Dili pizza.
True.
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 And I don't know. I guess for me, I'm very. I don't know. I have to do things like a certain way, but
Mhm.
that's a me thing. Yeah.
I mean,
And-
dili man sa nila about everyone nga I mean, general ba na think kay na may companies like yours nga mo value sa ilahang
Yeah.
kuan. Mo value sa ilang employees.
Mhm. True. Kay
Ato
remember
ning
said ko,
kuan, no?
yeah, depende sa jud siya. You know, if na timingan kag company nga medyo itiway lang jud imong OT kana murag di sa jud ka willing mo give more, di ba?
Right.
But like if before, if I remember pod before nga kanang kailangan jud ka mo OT, ako na lang yung kanang motivation na to kay sige na lang kay puno man ni sweldo. Kay basta bayad, okay ra jud wa may problema. If like
Mm.
if like dalang gani tarong pod nga kanang compensation
Compensation.
sa imuhang mga extra nga things nga i-give. Like I remember jud ko before nga mo work kog almost 12 hours. Nga kanang mga peak jud kay na mo before
Grabe.
ba katong production pa ko nga murag mag-uti-uti kog 5 hours nakasuway gud ko nga akong kinsinas na imo pareha sa akong basic. Nakana jud ko ay kalami mo to nga time nga naka-move out ko. Mo to ang ako ang OT ato. Mo akong gi-down, mo akong gibayad. So mo na siya. So okay ra if na mo'y bayad, but if pinilitan i-thank you lang mo nga gihangyo-hangyo lang kana mo pwede na
True.
jud mo say no, guys.
That's true. And if you have the kind of work nga madala sa balay, don't work on weekends.
True.
Seriously. You gotta, whatever wasn't finished within the hours you were paid. That's beyond your control. Unless tapulan lang sa jud ano. Ano yung nagsilpon-silpon ka. That's our
Nagbunjing-bunjing.
True. True. Ako, pag pandemic na, sige na ba yung work ko Saturday, Sunday?
Paid man ka to.
Oh, yeah. I think.
Yeah.
I think, hindi ko remember. Pero beto. Okay rin ay, akong boss kay good.
Speaking of overtime ba katong saon na bago pa ko nag-work. Ganan po jud kay mi ato kay inig overtime na mo if maka-reach me 2.5 hours nga ga-OT mi na may free meal. So pwede mi mukaon og food basta na lang mi resibo. So mukaon mi sa gawas mga ilan jud mi resibo murag natoy pila ka budget ato murag 250, 300 ba to something. Nga paid pa ka na pa kay food.
Oh, that's
Diba?
good.
So-
Ikaw pa mo pili.
Oh, pero na may technique before. Di mi mukaon og katong maabot to nga amount. Mangita ra mig resibo nga naa to nga amount.
Ay.
Kay i-reimburse
Wow.
raman, i-reimburse ba? So, ang buhato na mo to sa una, mga ramig ka ng proben niya puso. Ya, mamunit mi og resibo sa Jollibee. Wala lang, pinagbabawal na technique. Di naman ni nato ang benefits karon dito. Ito siya.
I mean, gi-allocate na ba yan nila
Yeah.
ang budget for that?
Mhm.
That is true.
To nami mid-shift nga allowance jud. So mao to nga if na ay mga Grab receipts, mga food receipts kamo to nga ni-raise man ko nga pwede ka nang since gi-allocate naman jud na ninyo, ibutang na lang jud na sa payslip kay may na lang man na ang usa ka libo nga mapataksi na mo inig uli kay dugay ba may manguli.
Ito.
Yeah, dili pa to uso ang Grab or Move It ato nga time. Oh, so mo to buyag na minaw ra sad sila. Mo to nga gi-add na lang
That's
jud siya
good.
nga allowance. So, yeah.
Ito. Mas maayo dyan ni Nana.
Yeah.
I mean, if like ganahan ni sa di kag pungko-pungko, na man ay resibo ang pungko-pungko.
Wala.
Wala.
Luoy na kayo, no? If like ni-follow lang yung ka sa rules, ganahan kag pungko-pungko.
Yeah, di ba?
Yeah.
Like, quiet quitting isn't for everyone. I mean, like, para gina sa mga abused.
True.
Yeah.
If you feel like wala gyud ka gitarong o value sa company, well then quit. I mean, you're still doing your job and like you're getting paid for it. Pero ayan like go above and beyond kay like di naman na mao ang kuan ron unless makita jud nimo nga ang company like they care for you.
Right. And your efforts matter.
Yeah. Dili ka na like, we're a family here. And then, here's some calzones. Thank you for your overtime.
Here's a donut.
A donut. Mo yun na usual, no? Donut,
A
pizza.
day-old donut. so. Bitaw sa mga finger food.
So, yeah, I guess that applies sa tong tulo ka story karon no. Kanang sometimes it's scary. The scary version is people disappear because of unseen things. Sometimes they just choose to based on the last two segments nato tong si Guy kanang ditch. Although people, come on, let's not ghost people. It sucks. And sometimes life just happens. and you feel like you're not getting anything in return. So you just decide to take a step back, especially so work these days. I don't know why, but for some reason, people are just required to work more and are paid less.
Diba?
I don't know why, what is up with that. But
And to include po nga, if you do your job well, you don't get kanang paid more, but you get more work lang.
and a
Diba?
certificate or a
Diba?
shout out,
Ah,
an email blast.
sad.
But yeah, but that doesn't mean if you have goals, ay nga na naman din na din na lang ko eh. But no, we if we have goals, we have to work for them. But I guess it's also a reminder for us to work smart. Know where we would allot our energy, like strategize, kumbaga. If you wanna grow sa muhang current work, sa muhang current company, strategize in a sense na you're not giving it your all without an assurance of getting anything in return, right? So make sure you are seen, sa siguro in the kind of way you'd want to be seen or recognized the way you'd want to be recognized. But yeah, sometimes people just disappear, and we are about to, as we are ending this podcast. But don't worry, we will reappear on the next week, hopefully.
Hopefully. If dili mi super
Oh,
busy.
hopefully.
So the blend's over for now, but the chaos never stops.
Stay tuned, stay bold.
And we'll catch you on the flip side. Bye.
Bye.